Krisp Review Usage Experience. In this video, we're reviewing Krisp, an AI-powered noise cancellation tool designed to improve audio quality in calls, meetings, and recordings. Links to the product are in the description below. If you frequently attend online meetings, record podcasts, or create content, Krisp promises to eliminate background noise and enhance clarity. Krisp works as a virtual microphone that sits between your actual microphone and any communication app. It's compatible with Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, Skype, Discord, and over 800 other apps. The tool uses AI-based noise cancellation to remove unwanted sounds like keyboard clicks, background chatter, and even barking dogs. Additionally, it offers echo cancellation to eliminate room reverberation, making your voice sound more professional in any environment. One of the standout features is bidirectional noise removal, meaning it not only cleans your microphone input, but also filters out background noise from other participants. This is especially useful in remote work settings where not everyone has high-quality audio. The app also includes a voice clarity feature, enhancing vocal frequencies to make speech more natural and crisp. Krisp is incredibly easy to use. After installation, it runs in the background and integrates seamlessly with your existing setup. You can turn noise cancellation on or off with a single click, and the intuitive dashboard provides real-time noise detection, showing how much unwanted sound is being removed. For teams and businesses, Krisp offers centralized management, allowing IT administrators to deploy and control noise cancellation settings across multiple users. It also includes detailed analytics, providing insights into call quality and background noise levels over time. Krisp is available in a free plan with limited usage per week, while the paid plans offer unlimited noise cancellation, HD voice support, and enterprise-level controls. The pricing is reasonable, especially for professionals who rely on clear audio in virtual meetings. One potential downside is that Krisp requires some system resources, and while it's optimized for performance, users with lower-end hardware may notice slight CPU usage. However, the benefits far outweigh this minor drawback, as the noise removal is nearly flawless. Overall, Krisp is an essential tool for remote workers, content creators, and business professionals who need crystal clear audio in any environment. Its AI-driven noise cancellation is highly effective, easy to use, and compatible with almost any communication app. If you want distraction-free calls and meetings, Krisp is definitely worth trying. Check out the links in the description to get started today.